Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This problem is called the product of array itself. So given array numbers of an integers when n is greater than 1, then return an array output such that output I is equal to the product of all elements of number except for number I. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then answer is the 24, 12, 8, and 6. And the 24 is except 1, so it's 2, 3, 4. 12 is just 1, 3, 4. 8 is just 1, 2, 4. 6 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the naive way is that we can use the division. So to do the, if you use a division, then you just if you want to use a division, then you can just write down. You can just do the multiple of the element of belongs to array, and you just divide each one. So the 8 answer AI tilde is just AI. Suppose the AI is the label of the list, and divide by AI, right? So if you use a division, then it's very easy that you just create 24. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24, just use 24 divided each one. So 12. 24 divided 3, 24 divided 4, right? But now the problem is that it's not allow you to use this simple method. Okay, so I mean it's very difficult to think of this kind of method, but let me just tell you the answer. So we first create a length and define the LR and answer. So basically this originally as a 3 list. Okay, and the algorithm is very strange that you first from left hand side and you times the previous number times li minus 1. So what it means is that suppose you start 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you create a list. This list initial to be 1, and the second is this 1 times this 1 times 1. And the next is just this 1 times 2. And then this is just 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, after you do that, you do another list. Initialize as 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you start from here. And then you put this is 1. And then this is 4. And then this 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. So now you have 2 lists. And the answer just this times this, 24. This times this, 12. 2 times 4, 8. 6 times 1 is 6. So this is the answer, right? So this is the answer. So this is the algorithm we will use. So first we go left and then we go right. And each li is just li minus 1 times the number I. Number I minus li is equals to l minus 1 times numbers I. Okay, so this is algorithm. So if you don't care about which is true, and so first suppose you are you're convinced by this algorithm, then it's very easy. Left hand side and right hand side is basically the same, right? We first initialize the final to be 1 and then just reverse the list, so it's easy. And then you just calculate the answer. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. So now we want to give like a short proof, or at least try to convince you why this is true, why this algorithm is true. Okay, so let me clear the page, and we try to see why it's true. Okay, suppose we have a list. Can we guess that this L is what? This L first is 1, right? The second is A1. The second is A1. A1 is this one, right? This is A1 times A2, right? And then this is A1, A2, A3. And then what is the final, right? Final is just A1 times A2 minus 1, right? How about R? Right, the first R is 1, right? The second is AN. The second is AN minus 1. And the first one is A2 go to A. So it's obvious that this 1 times A2 times AN will give you the rest, right? And this is A1 times A. Okay, so when you go, this is, so previous one is what? Is A2 to AN minus 1, right? So you use this and this will give you A1 times, oh sorry, there's no A2, A3. So we'll give you A1, A3 up to AN minus 1. So it's the same as you neglect this A2. Right, and the same as for this one. Same as for this one. And same as this one and this one. So you see the final one is A1 times go to AN minus 1 times 1 is the same as this product. So it's obvious that this algorithm can give you the correct answer if you know this trick. Okay, so we should give the proof. So give the proof. Okay, I hope you guys satisfied with this video, enjoy this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.